Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Diane Elaine Obsanya, 31 years old. I am a Filipino, single. I don't have kids. I have two sisters and two brothers, and I'm the eldest. I graduated 2 years ladderized of information technology, major in computer programming. As a domestic helper, here I've been working here in Oman since 2018 up until now. My skills include being a housekeeper, cleaner, and cooker. As a domestic helper, my personality would be characterized by diligence, efficiency, and commitment to providing excellent service. I would be reliable, trustworthy, and respectful of the family's privacy and preferences. I would be proactive in identifying and addressing household needs, and always maintain a professional and courteous demeanor. My focus would be on ensuring a clean, organized, and comfortable home environment. I can work with a coworker, but I can also work alone. As my preferred job, I can cook Arabic food and Asian food. I can wash and iron the clothes, and I can also clean the house and taking care of kids, including feeding, bathing, and providing emotional support. That's all, mom and sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.